Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Photopea tutorial. This one is super cool. I'm going to show you guys how you can make a neon sign. This is an updated tutorial of my old one. I think this one looks a lot better, and there will be the links in the description for the project link and also the pictures and the font I use in this video. So check down there if you're looking for one of those things. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go down in the description below, and there's a picture of a brick wall, and you just want to copy that. But we're going to start a new project, and we're going to change the width to 1280 and the height 720. That's what I'm going to go with anyway. You can go with whatever you want. And now I'm going to paste it in the brick wall. So here it is. So now what you want to do is draw out the tubes around the text. So how you do that is you go over here to your rectangle tool, change the fill to nothing, and change the fill type to white for the stroke. And the size of the stroke is going to be 9.5. And the corner radius, we'll have to experiment with this. I think we'll see 9 for the corner radius. And now what you want to do is just draw out the sign like this and just center it. And you can also delete the background layer because we won't need that. Okay, so now we're ready to add some effects. So double click on that shape you just made. And we're going to start out with bevel and emboss. And I'm just going to go through these settings, and you guys will just copy these settings that I use and adjust them if you need to. So I'm just going to let it sit on here for a little bit. You can pause it if you want to look at it and copy it. And yeah. And by the way, how you add these is you click this little plus sign and it'll make a new drop shadow. Okay, that's all the settings for the neon sign. Now ready to add some text. So the text I'm going to be using is a font called Nexa Light. It'll be down in the description as well. I recommend downloading it because it's a nice font for what we're doing in this video. And I'll show you some settings now. So first we're going to start out with bevel and emboss, and we're going to do the same process. So feel free to copy all these settings. I'll give you a second to do that, or you could just pause the video. And I'll go through and show you the color codes if you want them as well. So this one's just black. The code for this one is DDF2FE, and if you type it in, it'll change it to the exact color I'm using. This one is B5F4FF. The last drop shadow is just 5 Fs, I believe. F, 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 F. I don't know how many that is, but that's what it is. Now the color overlay is just white. And yeah, now I'm going to show you the color codes for the shape. So black, this one is FA8A8A. And then this drop shadow is DC6D6D. This drop shadow, FFCACA. And the last drop shadow is B84141. And I believe that is all for that. So now we're ready for the last part, and that is the color balance effect. And check this out. Boom. Yep, that looks clean, dude. Super easy to do. You just go down to this half circle, click on color balance, should be somewhere in here, right there. Click it, move it to the top, and these are the settings you want to use for it. So 0 red, -79 green, and 81 blue, and you will get this result. Super clean looking results. I say clean a lot because it is clean. There's no other word for it, and I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. So if you just want to download the project link, or not download it, if you want to use the project link and put your own name in it, you can. It'll be down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Also subscribe to my gaming channel if you like scary games. It's down in the description as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.